Hey there, it's Lori Jean. I want to do a quick review on this Ready Hour 3-month emergency food supply. Now, these 6 buckets are designed to feed one person for 3 months, offering 2,000 calories a day. Each bucket weighs approximately 20 pounds, and as you can see that they are stackable. The supply is supposed to last for up to 25 years, as long as you keep it in a cool, dry space. Now, each bucket has a different food source in there, and we're going to take a look and see what's in one of them right now. So I'm going to go ahead and open up bucket number 3. Okay, there we go. All right, so here's our first pack. We've got long grain white rice. So we've got some mushroom rice pilaf along with the white rice. That's just gonna go. And then we've got packages of creamy Alfredo pasta. And lastly, we've got powdered whey milk. But as you can see, all of this is on the front of the bucket, so it shouldn't come to any kind of a surprise. So this bucket came with 2 packages of powdered whey milk, 5 packages of mushroom rice pilaf, 5 packages of creamy Alfredo pasta, and 10 packages of the long grain white rice, for a total of 192 servings just in this single bucket. So the bags themselves are pretty thick and sturdy and vacuum sealed, and pretty simple instructions. It requires for this whole 6 buckets of food 39 gallons of water to cook it all, but we're just going to cook 4 servings right now, so that's going to take 4 cups of water. So let's cook these up and see what they taste like. So we're just going to follow the instructions here. We're going to open it up. We're going to remove the oxygen thingamajigger, wherever that is. There it is, the oxygen absorber. Then we're going to whisk it into our 4 cups of boiling water. Reduce to medium heat and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so this is the moment of truth. So this is 4 servings, 1,200 calories total. Looks like regular kind of pasta to me. Wow, I am pleasantly surprised. That tastes a whole lot better than I thought it would. I thought it would taste really terrible, but it just tastes like the stuff you get at the grocery store that when you create instant pasta. Has the same taste. So the purpose of these, hopefully, is that you'll never ever have to use them. That's the whole point. They're here in case of emergency. But they'll give you some peace of mind knowing that in case of an emergency, you have enough food on hand that you're going to get through, hopefully, that 3-month period. So I personally think every household should have at least this amount of emergency food on hand.